For Starknet, guys, I recommend you to not fall in FOMO if and when we will recover back to test below the invalidation level, because like you remember on the BitGet, the invalidation level based on initiation accumulation pump model was 10 cents. I highly recommend you just use free indicator. You just turn on and double check all levels of this strategy of this model automatically on your screen. Honestly, guys, I don't think so. We will ever reach now euro 26, euro 43. That's why we work with the current targets, and the most likely the end of this pump for May for a Starknet can be like 10 cents, around maybe a little bit higher, right? So we break the structure, and I would like to show you the smart money concept zones, the favorable gaps, the structure, the liquidity pools, and this order flow will come back and close the 50%. So it's around the invalidation level. Also, the 10 cents, it's like a round number. So the retails usually close to their position at a 10 cents. Globally, of course, for this year, more than real to see even the 35 or 49 cents. Yes, I'm more than sure we will see that targets. So it's approximately like 1K, 1K 500 in average, right? So it's more than real. The global one, one more time, this one on the weaker time frame, a break of structure, it's 80 cents and $1 one. Do you believe in $1 for the Starknet? Honestly, not. So let's be real. Technically, yes, of course, it looks like we have to go back to test this one, previous support zones. Now it's going to be like resistance. We'll take a look at how we reject at 0.61 level FIB. We consolidated here. I don't know what happened with the Starknet. So everything was so good at 35. So it was a logical entry. So we rebound. Maybe it was a mistake on my side, to not withdraw initial deposit here. That's why it's a tough lesson. So I lost, not a loss, I just froze the money in temporary losses. Now maybe I will never recover back again to my break even price. After that, I bought it again. I lost some Starknet. You remember that stories. So 80 cents, it was a logical exit. And after that, we just invalidate the idea. That's why usually what I see on previous, not a cycles, but previous price section of the tokens, we form something like this one. So people start draw this like based on the rules, rules of the downtrend lines or the uptrend lines. So we need 1 point, second 1 point. So one touch, second touch, everything logical one. So now we like broke this structure, but we're not, because the chart all the time move on the right side. That's why usually what I found, we form something like this one here. And we form the 3 highs. It's 1, 2. The third one going to be higher than this one, but lower than this one. So 35 cents is more than real to see this year, I guess. It's not some crazy gains. But after that, we will see mostly a rejection. And so I will be not surprised if we drop again to the invalidation level. All right, smart money concept zones, guys, on a weekly time frame. Above, of course, we get a lot of gaps. Even on the monthly, I guess. On a monthly, take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps on the monthly time frame. I don't know what should happen with the Starknet, so we pump it to the $1. Now, the first trouble area we test. We came into this block. So I think till 15 May, in the next few days, I think before the CCP meeting with Donald Trump, we will see the 76 and $7, 7 cents 56, not $7. We never reach $7. After that, this target like 35, 36, and 42.50. So this is it. Extremely positive zone is here. I don't believe in higher targets, guys, but of course it's just my personal thoughts about it. Maybe they will. Maybe they burn the 50% of supply. We can't know. We can't know, guys. So locally, yes. Is it okay to buy now? I think yes. I think even now at 5 cents, it's more than okay to buy. If we will see something like this one, you could buy in here again at 1 cent. Your average entry will be like 3. At 6, you withdraw initial deposit, and that's it. Anyway, now if you could buy now at 5 cents, some amount, not go all in, right? Some amount of Starknet, I think you will overperform the many other traders or investors who jump it in the Starknet during the last 2 years. That's why these all gaps, it's like a magnet for the market makers. Maybe not at this high, but this price movement most likely we will see. If we end this uptrend around the 15 cents, for example, the drop can be this summer to the bottom again to 3 cents 84 to form the double bottom. Size of that double bottom going to be the again 28. With the weak candle, we can form like 45 in autumn and going down again. That's why for May, I think some of these gaps will be closed. But it's for the spot. For the futures, of course, we have to double check on the daily time frame, track the support, resistance on a daily. Yes, we broke the structure. So this was a high of April 23. Today we broke it. So we are in the uptrend structure on a daily. How high we will pump with that structure, it's hard to say. So now we're in the uptrend. So work with the longs, right? Supports on the 12 time frame. It's this favorable gaps. Highly recommend you guys use also this indicator. It's for free. Link will be on the description below. ADZ direction, market mode. EMA, I could close. This one I could close. So let's go to the daily time frame. I think we're gonna form the 3 reps pattern up over the 9 cents, over the 10 cents, and form something like this one, like 1, 2, and the third up. Going to be over the 9 cents, and after that we're going to correction, and here we're going to form the divergence. All right, there is the divergence. Direction, no signal to sell on a daily yet. What I don't like this apria on the market mode. Right, let's go to the last 3 indicators. It's a trade on and money power on take profit. Sell signal was here. We drop it, no new signals to sell. No money outflow yet. Let's add alerts on a daily time frame, money outflow. I could like to see something similar to this one, like what is happening in January, when we drop from 9 to 3. From 9 to 3 cents. So I'd be not surprised if we pump over then 10 cents, break another structure on a high time frame, and after that going down again into correction this summer. That's why to open long, I don't know. You can, but stop loss kind of here. It's a 30% stop loss, so no makes sense, guys. So on a daily time frame, I don't see any setup for the long. You need to go to the small time frame. On a smaller one, this is a money outflow. Now nothing. All right, we can close. Take a look there. Take profit. Take profit. The last indicator. So what we can see on the daily time frame, we reject exactly at the exit line. I don't think so. We're going to drop now to the buy line again, 210.66. But keep in mind, this is a buy line. Buy lines are dynamic. Weekly time frame, the reward, guys, is open to the 10 cents 24. This is a fundamental value line. Add alerts to the test of this line. Highly recommend you to do this one and the take profit 27. So believe it or not, but the reward is open to the test fundamental value line on a weekly time frame for the Starknet. Right? But please, in a comment, what you think about a Starknet. If you like to trade with my customer set and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.